Let's make afang soup or Okazi soup. Okazi is the name of this vegetable. The Eastern people call it Okazi, while the Ibibios, the Efiks, the Akwa Ibom people or Cross River, they call this vegetable afang. Now, afang soup is a very delicious soup. It's prepared in different ways, in different forms, but one of the popular way the Ibibios prepare it is the way I want to show us now. So this is already sliced and I am washing it. So I try to wash it to get rid of some dirt, some particles of sand that might hinder the eating process, and also for health, for hygiene level. So I put it into my processor to further process it and make it a bit the peppers, the onions, whatever is your choice of condiments. So I put it here to process it, and that is it already processed, so I kept it aside. And here is some dried catfish. This catfish is very flavorful. In preparing okazi soup, you want to put lots of proteins like fish, meat, whatever is your own choice of protein that you want to put, to make your okazi soup very rich and flavorful. So I deboned it and I set it aside, and I'm using smoked turkey. That is what I choose for today, and I also set it aside, and that is grinded crayfish, and that's the mixture of some spices. Make your own choices. And this is some kind of a chopped cowhide, and these are my seasoning cubes and salt, and that is the pepper mix and onion. So that is the English spinach, and then the afang, the okazi. So I prepped everything, and that is the smartest way to go about it. So inside my cooking pot, I added red palm oil, and that's me now putting my seasoning cubes, and in the same oil I added my salt. So the cooking process have started now. Okazi is very beneficial. It helps with fertility in male and female. It helps to increase the sexual libido. It helps to reduce blood sugar. It also helps with cholesterol. It helps to for weight management. It helps with bowel movement. So okazi, or wild spinach as it is called in English, is a very beneficial vegetable. So consider adding it into your meal for those beautiful benefits that nature has put into it. So I'm trying to make a soup base of it. So I fried the blended onions and pepper, and that's the deboned catfish. This really adds a lot of flavor, to make the soup very flavorful. Okazi soup is a very luxury soup in Nigeria. It is always made, on special occasions. And my mom used to tell me that wives usually make this soup to impress their husbands. On whatever occasion you want to impress your husbands, you make this okazi soup to impress him, or to impress your in-laws, because it's a luxury soup. A lot of things you can throw in, a lot of vegetables, a lot of proteins, meat, or whatever you have. You can make it very, very, very deluxe to your taste. And that's my soup bubbling. Those are my chopped cowhide that I added. You can see this soup is rich with so many yummy goodness. So at every scoop of soup there is something to bite. Yeah, that is the fun of it. And then I added a little more of red palm oil. So this kind of, puts everything, settles and brings all the ingredients, bind them together, if you know what I mean. Only the legends will understand what I'm trying to say. Oh my goodness. If you're not a Nigerian and you visit a Nigerian, just tell that, make a special request. Tell them this request, I asked you to make it. Tell them to make Okazi soup for you, or afang soup. They will say, you've made a very expensive request. However, I will make it for you. I remember anytime my in-laws visit, they always request for this soup. They will say, my wife, make that your special delicacy for her. That vegetable, that afang. So yeah, that is my delicious afang soup, my delicious Okazi soup. Whoa. My family ate and ate. They enjoyed it. They were like, Mommy, I need more. I need second round. I need third round. I'm like, hey, hold it. Don't eat too much. So go ahead and enjoy your afang soup if you like, Okazi soup if you like, wild spinach if you like, whatever you want to call it, or simply vegetable soup. Just do you and be you. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? After eating my afang soup, come on, click that red button that shows subscribe. Click the like button. Share this. The Nigerian wives from another country. Share this video. Encourage somebody else. Okay? I will see you in another video. And until then, eat well and stay well. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Above all, make wise choices. Okay? Bye-bye. I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching.